Hey guys, this is the end of the video. I'm preparing for another trip, which I'll be filming that too, which is the film trip, and this video was really fun to film. I hope you like it. We went hog hunting, turkey hunting, gator hunting, caught a gator but couldn't catch it, couldn't kill it, but killed 3 hogs. No turkey. I hope you like it. And stay tuned for the next video. Peace.
Fish was biting lately. Fire. Like very hit and miss. One day it would be biting good, next day it would be kind of slow. A little breeze this morning, they won't bite. Hope you don't get too bad. They're bouncing.
Nice one, Bo.
Flip that lever right there. Right.
Hey.
Give me a little bit of slack. There you go.
Did it? Well,
This hand, put it right up in front right here. Now read.
Oh, there it goes.
come on.
Stand up. Oh, my goodness.
Around. Film that thing. Just hold it.
Sideways.
No.
Sideways. Like that.
The height.
There you go.
That's the other good thing. You can see how much line you got left.
Come on. There you go. 30 feet. What is that?
Yeah.
That's catfish. Come on. Come on. All right. That's 3.
Try it again.
Hey guys, I'm doing my outro for this video that's going on this weekend. I had multiple fun. Had a lot of fun, and happy 2 of my friends came along with me. So, yeah, caught 5 catfish. It was pretty fun. I almost caught a gar, but it fell off the hook. But yeah, so this is the end of the video. Thank you for watching. Remember to like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.